How do you get your medical bills paid from a motor vehicle collision that wasn't your fault? Hi, I'm Frank Nunes. I'm a California personal injury trial attorney practicing in the state of California. Oftentimes, people will have medical bills from a car crash. It's obvious. What happens next? They have no money because they can't work, they can't get to work, so now they've got a problem with these bills. They start getting letters from collection agencies. My number one tip to you, do not ignore those letters. And the second thing is to keep all communication between you and the person trying to collect the debt in writing so there's a clean record of what was said and what wasn't said. The third thing is respond to those letters in writing in a timely manner, disputing the debt or telling them the problems you have, maybe even requesting to work out a payment program. Those three items can keep you out of hot water for bills that were not your fault in the first place. Well, that's it on how you can get your medical bills paid from a car crash when they weren't your fault. By the way, if you found this information helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get fresh, new content every time we post another great educational video. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me since I can answer those questions. I answer questions like this all the time. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.